To show battery level until full when you charge your Galaxy Watch, you have to enable the show charging info option. As the example, we will enable this option from the wearable app on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. To do so, go to the app screen, find wearable app, and then tap it. Tap watch setting. Next, tap display. Scroll down the screen. And then tap the gray on off switch next to show charging info until the switch turns blue to turn it on. When this option is on, when you place your Galaxy Watch on the charger, the battery percentage with a charging icon and an estimated time until full charge will appear on your watch screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.